Hey, what's going on, everybody? Y'all know what it is. It's JJ. We're back at it. Picking up this little Saturn that I bought from Oklahoma Auto Exchange. You know, a little Saturn. I bought it for $400. Not the best looking, but it's quick money. It's quick money. That's what it's all about. Quick money. Yeah, here's after the sale and everything. See, there you go. Oh, I didn't even know the trunk was that messed up. Oh, that's why they had the tape on there. Oh, that's why they had the tape on there. It's basically coming apart. Hold on. So it's a hole right there. Oh, it's rougher than I thought. All right, well, it's rougher than I thought. I only seen it from that side. I only seen it from the other side, so. It's 2003, got 100. Oh, it needs a fender. Fender. You can push that in, you can pop that out. Can't really do anything about the trunk. It's really just this right here. It looks like it all disconnects, so. I wonder, can you just, does this like quarter panel just disconnect? Does that quarter? It looks like it. Looks like how to, like, if y'all know like anything about Corvettes, you know, right there, inside dirty too. I really should start paying attention to. Really should start paying attention. I really should start paying attention. Dirty on the inside. Very dirty. I thought it was gonna be something quick. The hood up, but hopefully all the fluids and stuff is pretty good. Interior is very dirty. It's missing. Stink. Really should pay attention to what I buy. Got a little slight mist to it. But oh well. See how she drives though. Oh well. It's always some money to be made. Maybe. Hopefully. Depends. We got something going on with the. Oh my God! It's like I gotta start paying attention. That be the thing. Like when these cheap cars. You know, they be cheap, but they come with a lot of work. I don't think we're gonna make too much money. I don't even think this one. I don't even know if this is gonna be worth even fixing up and cleaning up. Honestly, in my honest opinion, that's better than that truck over there. This one? Okay. Yeah, I was feeling something. Okay. Stabilize the bars. More than likely to stabilize the bars. more than likely to stabilize the bars. Yep, more than likely to stabilize the bars are messed up. Ain't got no gas in there either. I'm gonna take it to Wilson and see what he say right quick. Alright. So he did look under there. It's got like some weird style type of control arms. But you can just buy them. I already looked on. I just literally just as I stopped while she was checking it out, I literally stopped and you can buy both sets on Amazon. You can buy the whole set for like 40 bucks. Shift's good. Got a little slight miss, but sparks, plugs, and coils. And then, like I said, something is okay. It's on the passenger side. I'm gonna just go buy both of them. But let me take it there to Wilson just to see what he says. If there's anything like maybe he can kind of like feel in his body with something. And other than that, like besides that, control. Yeah, it's this passenger side. Passenger side stabilize the bar because if it's like I can feel it while I'm driving. I mean, 400 bucks. I have to spend that $100 on the detail because I ain't cleaning this. I ain't cleaning that. Drop 100, get a Cruze. Yeah, so it's got 138,000 miles. Let's say maybe. Let's say what? You got 100. The miles is what's saving it. The miles is what's got me. The 148,000 miles is kind of what's saving it. That it just got me thinking. The 148,000 miles. So control arms, that's 40. So coils and stuff. Let's say coils and that's 80 bucks. So 480, $100 detail. We're at 580. Depends on what Wilson charged if he can like do anything. If he can, that didn't sound good. If he can do anything. I know Wilson be like, man, what is this dude bringing me today? So tune up the detail. This is probably something I'm gonna have to wait till after I get back on vacation, bro, because it's pretty dirty. So just the guy I wanted to see, Mr. Wilson. I don't know. Set of hubcaps. I ain't gonna worry about the hole in the trunk. We're not gonna worry about that. It's really this right here. That's really what makes it just looks bad. Somebody took the time and put some good rubber on. It's crazy. People take the time. You go put some tires on. Why not fix the control arm? Crazy. You take the time to put some tires on. You had to spend at least $300-400 bucks to get the tires put on and mounted. Them tires are fairly new. But why not get the control arm fixed while you at it? But I guess they probably the damage, the little fender over here. I mean, this car is made pretty. Like this is just plastic, like, or fiberglass or something. Like this is just, this probably is like plastic. Like this stuff is like so cheaply made. Like, look at this cheaply made. Then all this tape on here don't help. But let me see what Wilson talking about. I'll get back with you. So it just comes off with these screws, and what, it just pops off?
Yeah.
It just pops off. You think that car website got it? So if I get this, I'll probably, I'm not gonna worry about that, you know, it's nothing. You know, it's don't do too much, but that looks bad. Can you straighten this? You know, just like pop that out and like,
yeah,
straight. Then I'll probably have to get a fender too, just to replace. Okay, well, let me go to pull the parts and check. This part does. So is it hard to take off? Is this?
No, this is.
So what? Two screws?
Yeah, maybe 3.
So 2, 3.
You need to remove this one.
So remove that.
Yeah.
So that part comes off. Okay. All right. Well, let me go to pull it. Let me try to go down to pull the parts and see if they got one. And then I'll bring you that part, and then I'll get you the fender as well. And then just have you straighten it all up. All right. Appreciate you, Wilson. What? Off to the salvage yard. Off to the salvage yard we go. That's pretty cool that just comes off, you know. You know, I mean, it's cheap little plastic, so pretty cool that it just comes off. So they'll straighten that little part up. So I can run to the salvage yard, grab those 2 parts. I mean, who knows? Let me go take a picture of what kind of car it is for my records. Oh, it's 2003. Photo right there, a little photo op, 2003 Saturn Ion 100, and go grab that, bring that back. That shouldn't cost too much for some little piece, some plastic. So I'm probably just gonna need yeah, that's the plan for today. Go to the salvage, get that, then we be out. But that seems like pretty light work. I thought it was gonna be way more difficult. I thought I was gonna have to they kind of pay them. But now that I know that comes off, which I kind of figured how it looked at how it was built, kind of figured that it came off. I wasn't 100% sure. So now we'll grab those, bring those back, have them straighten everything up, take it down to the detail shop, have them clean it, wait for the parts to come in, from Amazon, slap them on there, boom, ready for sale. Just like that. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out. Peace.